Hey guys, let's talk a bit today, because if you ever struggle to keep tracking your expenses on AI modules inside your n8n workflows, or you just struggle just to simply check which model give you the best output, today's video is for you, because I will show you not only one, but basically two platforms that allow you simply to track your expenses, to have one balance, and also to pretty simply switch between the models, so you can verify which one give you the best output. And at the same time, if the task is really simple, you can pretty easily switch to some lower cost module and save some money. At the same time, platforms like this allow you to save money because you are basically getting better prices thanks to the fact that they are connected to all of the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, everything basically you need. So let's go to the platform. So first platform I would like to show you is OpenRouter. It's basically the platform that collects all AI modules, and wherever you need to message the model, you have plenty of them. You have, as you can see, 635 models, and also on top you have like OpenAI modules, you have Claude, whatever you need. Gemini is here as well. So also DeepSeek. So all the modules we are currently using are here, and this tool is really good because they are also allowing you to save some money. But what is the most important part, and why I like it the most, is that I have my balance in one place. Because as you know, just if you want to use OpenAI module inside your n8n, you can do it like this, just to put OpenAI node, or you can simply take the AI agent node and just give the module the OpenAI. But what is the problem with this one? The problem with this one is basically that you have to have the API keys, and you have to basically have a setup in which of the AI platform. So whenever you want to go and use OpenAI, you have to fill the OpenAI balance. You have to just pay them money and whatever. But what in case you see that there is newest model from a DeepSeek or from Claude that will fulfill all your needs, and you don't need your OpenAI? Then basically your money are staying there, and they are waiting for what? For just new module to appear so you can check it. This is basically the waste of your money and your time. That's why tools like OpenRouter is really good, because at the same time the integration with it is basically the same. You just go there and you copy your API key. So this is the same configuration that we are using to connect OpenAI or Claude or any other AI tool. And as you know, we have API key here. You can just simply do it. At the same time, we don't need any description. We can buy credits directly from here. We can even use cryptocurrency, which is really good. And at the same time, we can have multiple keys. That's why I was playing around with it a bit. And I have n8n key, and at the same time I have n8n image generation key. So whenever I'm doing, you can also have different keys for different automation, which allow you to track your expenses for each of the automation. And at the same time you have logs here. You can see about the models, you can see how much tokens you spent. Here are there. You can also see how much money you spend. So yeah, this is the first tool, and I will say this is really good, and I for sure recommend this. But what in case, because this one mostly allow you to just text the module. I mean just text, but do most of the things. But what in case you are a creator and you would like to get, I don't know, the text to image, or basically generate image or videos. So As you can see, we are going to modules, and you have some video models, but from my opinion, it's okay. But for sure, the second dashboard will be much better in this case. And we have Kie.ai. This one is a little bit more complex, but I will say that, as you can see, you have much more modules to use, and this platform is created basically just so you can make images, you can make videos, and also you have ability to generate music or speech. And this is something that we cannot make inside OpenRouter. Inside OpenRouter, honestly, we can generate the images, but most of them you have ByteDance, you have Google Notes, but as you can see, you don't have like Sora, you don't have Sora here. At the same time, audio, you also have only 18 modules. So it all depends what you need and what you're looking for. But from my opinion, whenever I'm trying to generate images or any like video or voice, I'm always using Kie.ai, and this works the same way with the billing. You can just simply connect your credit card, crypto, or other things. Then you have API. You also have API usage. You can simply see how much you spent on each automation. But what is different here? Because OpenRouter is basically already connected to the n8n workflow. You can simply just, whenever you are using AI agent, you can simply just type OpenRouter, as you can see, and we have chat model here. So that's why it's pretty simple. But with Kie.ai, it's a little bit more difficult. I will show you on my example. Let's use Sora 2. What you have to do here is basically you have to check which kind of model type you want to use. Let's say we want text to video. And then, which is great for this tool, we have basically dashboard here, which we can test from this place. Obviously, each run will cost you something, so it's not that it's for free. But as you can see, there is a place for a prompt, there is a place for aspect ratio. So if how you want your video to look like, at the same time how long they should be, and if you want to remove watermark or not. But you can simply ask me why you have to click it from here. You can simply just click JSON and just copy the JSON. So it only will show you how to use it. And with Kie.ai, we have a little bit different. This is the part of my different automation about how to generate the images and videos. I will show you probably in the next video which automation I run. But basically this is working like this. You have to open the API documentation, and as you can see, we have two endpoints. One is create task, which is post, and the second one is query task. So you have to think about this, like this one will send the request, hey, create me please this video or this image, and the second one is just to get your image or video. As you can see, you have pretty good documentation, and I can recommend, whenever you struggle to like find something that you need or how to change it, simply ask Claude or OpenAI, and for sure it will help you to get it. And basically this is how it works. We are sending the post request. We have to at the same time put the bearer token, authorization, bearer, your key, and like I told you, the key you will get from API keys. And then I'm putting the wait node, like 30 seconds. You can do it like 15, it doesn't matter that much. And then you want to send the second request just to check the information about your request. Because as you can see here in the logs, you have multiple statuses, and you want to have your automation be ready for all the statuses. I basically put like 3 options. This one is processing, because Whenever none of these statuses are here, you want to still go back and check again the status of your application. I would say that the success and failure are the two like finish statuses, and after them, like if they are not there, for sure the automation is still running. So whenever you have the success, you are simply just taking the URL which you will get just to send the second, the third request, just to download the video, and then you can upload it in your Google Drive. Or if that's the failure, you can send your, in my case, this is the Telegram notification, just to let me know why it got failed and what happened that the video got failed. And at the same time, you can see all the logs here, what you put inside, the task ID. Whenever you would like to download the video again, you can simply copy the task ID and also download it again. And at the same time, you can see how many credits you used and when you requested for this video, which model you used. So that's why I will for sure recommend this one. So my recommendation, whenever you're using multiple AI models, to use OpenRouter or Kie.ai, just to have everything simple and in one place. You don't have to struggle and take a look like how much money you still have on your account, and if you will for sure be able to much more easier avoid situation in which your automation will stop running just because you don't have money on your OpenAI or Claude balance. Whatever, if that was helpful for you, just remember to give me a like and drop the comment down below what you think about this, and maybe you found a different tool. As you know, the AI space is still growing, so maybe you have something much better than this. If so, drop the comment down below, and see you next time. Thank you for today. Bye.